Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really nice 1948 Willys CJ-2A. It's a military Jeep. Back then, before they called them Jeeps. This one has the 16-inch wheels with the military tires. It's got the shovel on the side. It's got some nice reproduction data tags, new instruments. It's been driven 1,153 miles since it was restored. We've also got receipts for the rebuilt transmission and the rebuilt motor. We've got a folder full of all that. Here's the VIN tag from Willys Overland. A lot of these Jeeps they've either were destroyed or they were rusted out. And this one has a really excellent body, just considering it's a 1948. It's got the split windshield. Got a place you can put your ammo. I believe they put the batteries in them in that box. But it's four-wheel drive. Lockout hubs have been added to it because these come with drive flanges. It also has a steering damper. The brakes have been redone. You can see the new brake hoses. These blocks of wood are basically the support when it gets up on the windshield. See, to keep it from scraping. It's got a battery cutoff switch, a Mitsubishi high torque starter, the Willys, what they call the Go Devil flathead motor. They actually have a run called the Go Devil run, and one of the requirements is you have to have this type motor. You can't have a V6 or an overhead valve motor. But it's got new motor mounts, fuel pump. They did a nice restoration, and it's been driven in some parades. It's just a nice piece. Drives good. Top speed's about 40, maybe 45 miles an hour. In fact, let me start it up and you can hear it run. Make sure it's in neutral. The four-wheel drive does work. And they've stored it with fuel stabilizer in it. So it kept the carburetor good. I'm going to take some pictures underneath. These are really simple machines. In fact, there's a video showing 6 Marines riding in one, and they stop and they pull the axles out, take the body off, pull the engine out, and then they put it back together in like 5 minutes. It's crazy. The seats have been cut to where they lean back. One problem with these older Jeeps, there's no room in them, but these actually sit low on the back and lean back, so it's really pretty nice. But I'm going to get some undercarriage pictures, and we're going to put this Jeep up for sale. If somebody wants a classic that they can actually use and drive around, if you got a farm, or if you want to just drive it to the store, drive it around town a little bit. And it's great in parades, 4th of July parades, any kind of parade. You can put Santa Claus in the back. It's got the jerry can on the back, spare tire, and it's an awesome Jeep. The windshield does fold down. But thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails, and hope to see you in our showroom soon.